All right, so the moment of truth after 7 years. This engine has never been started since. I think we're ready to do that. Who knows what will happen? Hopefully something good. And I didn't forget anything. So I put the plugs back. I just put the tank on. There's a little gas in it. Plugged everything back together. Even the temperature sensor. And no airbox. So let's see what happens. And I did a few times cycle the power. So that was 136,626 miles with the old engine. And now we're on with the new engine. I think this music's kind of loud. I'm just gonna turn it off a little. Okay. Let's push the button. Hey, do I really have the courage to do that? Hell, let's do it. Huh? No go. It sounds like it wants to do something. Oh! We got something. Is it running in 2 or 1? This block was a little flaky, but seems to be running. Wow. Oh. I said something. So far, there's no oil leaks or anything. This is the breather. It tickles my finger. That's nice. Shall we rev it up a little bit? I know Pete said don't do that, but I've already pumped so much oil in it. And it's got John's map. Look, it's even charging at 13 volts. Something's starting to smell a little heated up. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some kind of smoke. Let's rev it up a little bit. Wow. Nice. Better open up the garage door. I mean, I like getting high, but not that high. It runs beautiful. Really nice. Without the airbox. There's a lot of smoke coming from somewhere. Yeah, this baby's got a new life. It actually runs very nice. I still have to put the crash bars and bleed the brakes, and still a lot of work to do, but yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna shut it off now. Yeah, and that's the old engine. Beautiful day today.